So two of the biggest issues facing companies today when they're dealing with cloud is cost control and data security. These aren't new problems, these aren't new challenges. These are problems that have been dealt with by companies over the last few years in the cloud space, and it's an issue that's known as cloud sprawl. So cloud sprawl is the uncontrolled, or more accurately, the unaudited proliferation of cloud resources like files in data buckets, databases, application environments left to run, whether it's test or UAT, in a manner where you don't know what's out there and you haven't got any idea as to what security controls there are around it. So there are several ways that cloud sprawl can happen, and it's usually a byproduct of organic growth where a new product is developed, the environment is set up and run, and they do testing, and you download production data into that environment in order to be able to make sure that the product's fit for market. And then the product is made, it's pushed out and developed, and then the environment is left to run, and it's got open access, it might have production data in there that shouldn't be in there, all sorts of things, and that's where you need to actually get those controls back in place to ensure that those environments are shut down afterwards. And it's that process of auditing those controls that is key to what we're trying to do. The reasons that cloud sprawl are so important to get a handle on and understand is that if you don't know what data you've got out there, then you are opening yourself up to a world of risk from GDPR fines, from having all your customer data exposed. And that's really the kind of the main reason why people should be focusing on cloud sprawl and getting a handle on it. Cost is a secondary factor, absolutely, because no one wants to be running a big, massive machine out there that isn't actually doing anything, because that's going to impact on your OPEX costs. But actually, the cost of those OPEX costs pale into insignificance when you compare it to GDPR fines and all of the other business risks and business problems that come with that, and the impact on your customers.